Hello folks, we got another seed order and there may be some other stuff in here. Let's take a look. Here's your thing of seeds. Oh boy, what we got here? Alright. Now this right here is the Dram Touch and Flow. Got this for Carolyn. Hopefully it'll help her out. It's got this attachment for a little rainfall. And then also this right here, I hear this is the stuff right here. Fog it. It's a real fine mist. It won't blow your seeds out of the dirt. We'll give it a try. Not tonight. It just threads right on there. Or that one there. Now, let's see what kind of seeds we got. Oh, catch that, Dan. Alright. Now, we had got this here, corn here, just to try it this year. Temptress. We heard it was real good. We'll be growing our Montauk, of course. And then also this year we're going to be raising some Glacial White. It's a white sweet corn. I heard real good things about it. We'll let you know. And then Carolyn got her some flowers. What did we get here, Shin? Here's a white sunflower. And then this here is a peach sunflower. And this one here, Dixie Red Tomato. We're going to give it a try. It's supposed to be good disease resistance. I'll set this to the side just a second. And then here is Brandywine Pink tomatoes. These seeds is in there. Forget how many, 50 seeds. And then also this year is an heirloom pumpkin, Cherokee tan pumpkin, native to this area, the Appalachian Mountains. We're going to give it a try. It's supposed to be good disease resistant. Alrighty folks, I'm going to give a shout out to a great channel, Cog Hill Family Farm. If you get a chance, check them out. But if you're ordering from Hoss Seeds, Hoss Tools there, use the promo code COG Squad 22, 1G, and they'll send you a free pack of these Mountain Vineyard tomatoes. Like I said, great channel. We got these ones for free, and we're going to give them a try this year and see how they do. But just if you would, folks, please, if you haven't already, when you go to the store, try to buy a few extra cans of something. Anything that you can put up. As you can see, everything is going up in price. It's only going to get worse, I believe, at least for a while. A good while, I think. Gas today shot to $4.19 here where we live, and gas going up, diesel's going up, everything costs more to ship it, and I believe we're getting ready to see some pretty hard times, folks. Just even with the gas going up the way it is, let alone nothing else going up, it's going to make it rougher on people. But this is one seed order. I went to order some seeds the other night from another company. When we get them in, we'll show them to you. I try not to use my debit card online. Well, I buy these little gift cards to buy online, and I put money on it there a little over a month ago when I ordered these Hoss Tool seeds. Well, I was going to order some more the other night from a different company, He's going to order some beans. We really like them, the Monte Cristos. I believe one of the few places that has them is the Vermont Bean Seed Company. There's no affiliation whatsoever. But placed my order and declined it. And kept looking. Thought, well, maybe I typed the number in wrong. Typed the number in again. And then that's when Daniel, Carolyn one come in there and pulled up the balance. And they was nice. They left $3.90 on the card there. But some butthole, they had ordered some stuff from Best Buy. And then there was also a PayPal charge on there. But I don't know how they got it or anything like that there, but just, that's another thing. Be careful, folks. But just please, just try to stock up some there, and don't want to scare anybody, but it is looking kind of bad out there, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed day. I'd like to thank you again for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. That'll let you know when we fix a video. And if you think your friends may like some of this stuff, share it with them. Let them know about us. You all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Hey, have a great weekend. Be safe, be careful. We'll see you Monday.